So I get asked all the time, what exactly is cash flow hacking? Well, simply put, cash flow hacking is a combination of utilizing whole life insurance combining with real estate investing for the purpose of earning active and passive income inside of real estate. So how does it work? Well, the first thing you need to do is, instead of saving in a savings account, you need to take your money and have your money saved inside of a whole life insurance contract. Once your money is in there and you have enough money inside of your account, you can then borrow against it or attach a cash value line of credit to that account. When you have enough money, then you can start to leverage it for what I call the ideal asset, which is real estate. You can do this for turnkey real estate, you can utilize it for tax deeds, you can do it for overages, you can do it for hard money lending. Ultimately, at the end of the day, it's all about leveraging the policy to help you earn active income and ultimately get to the mecca, which is passive income through real estate investing to help you achieve financial freedom faster. So in summary, all cash flow hacking is utilizing the two longest standing, most stable assets in the world, which is whole life insurance and real estate investing, combining them together, giving you more upside potential, a little bit of downside protection inside of the financial structure that you're utilizing. And instead of investing for accumulation, you're investing for cash flow, which is going to improve your lifestyle along the way, force you to become more so you can accomplish what you want to do, and help you achieve financial freedom way faster than you would achieve it any other way. If you want to learn more, make sure you follow the channel.